Yes. Okay, ma. Right. Durga Prasad. Yes. Oh, it's raining. Okay. Okay. Happy Purushottam Jayanti, sir. Okay. Thank you, ma. Same to you, all of you. Happy Purushottam Jayanti also, it seems. Okay. So, wish you all of them happy Purushottam Jayanti. Yeah. At Maitrivanam also climate is changed. Okay. So, let us enter into the subject. Let me go for one case study, ma. Then after that, we will go for other things we will discuss. First, let us enter into the subject. So, do you remember yesterday's class about the steps for development of these exceptions? Raise keyword also, I will let me open it. Last class, we did some example. So, the example is, I hope so, this one, this one, this one. Now, I'll go for this kind of things. This is an exception. We developed it and that I used in math OP. If denominator is 0 and we used it, raise an exception. C is equal to A by B and DAV is equal to I printed. And method, we followed that kind of description here. This one we developed here. So let us go for one more example. Let us go for one more example. So Sheelam, Edit Plus you need not to buy, ma. It is a freely downloadable. You can download for free of cost. You can download for free of cost. 1 month free it will come. After that, it is asking Edit Plus is expired. You will get some type of small alert. You drag it and keep it in the taskbar, and you can start your work. File open and all those things. You can do it. So no, there is no problem in that. Okay, right. One more example you start. Then we will go for case study. Let us do one small example so that people can join all of us. Maybe some connection problem, maybe outside and all. Slowly we will enter into the case study. Write down. Write a Python program. That this case study I will give the screenshot, ma, no problem. Screenshot facility I will give you. You can do that. Write a Python program which will generate, come on, ma, start, which will generate multiplication table for a given number, 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 full stop. If negative number or 0 is entered, if negative number or 0 is entered, if negative number or 0 is entered, develop and handle the exception. Develop and handle the exception. Develop and handle the exception. Very, very important. Develop and handle the exception. Develop and handle the exception. Develop and handle the exception. Very, very important. Develop and handle the exception. Yes, ma'am. Now look at that. So before going to the big case study, I want to go for a small thing. So in this, what we are going to do, first of all, are you understanding this problem, guys? Are you understanding this problem, ma'am? Yes. Now let us close all this stuff. Let us close all this stuff. Now we are going to enter into the new Python program. I will develop the exception. Tell me, how do you do? How do you do? Now I am going to Nikhil. I just now I told you about Edit Plus. I will tell you at the end of the class. Please let me continue the class. Nikhil, I will tell you at the end of the class, ma. Please let me continue the class. Okay? Right. So now I'm going to say invalid. I'm giving like this. What is this now? I'm giving something like a tcs.py. tcs.py is my py package, is my module name. Is treated as module name. Please let me continue, ma. Don't disturb. Nikhil, at the end of the class, I will address this. Okay, please follow me. Treated as module name. Treated as module name. Okay. Now I'm going to take. Now I'm going to take class. Class. What is the class name? Invalid number. Okay, you take whatever the thing you like it. Now I'm taking invalid number exception. Invalid number. Invalid number error. Invalid number error. And I'm taking here exception. I'm taking here exception. In Python 3.9, in Python 3.9, you can take even base exception also, no problem. Base exception also you can take, no problem. Either exception or base exception, no problem. You take new one, base exception also you can take. Pass. Pass. Right. Pass. Okay. Right. Done. Both of them are same one, no problem. You can take any one of it. Okay, no issue at all. So let us save it as this part is called what? tcs.py. Carefully follow tcs.py. Now I will save it. Go to your location, 4 p.m. Now I am say exception handling. So there, save it. So I am taking tcs.py. Right. Now, so invalid. Okay, I will adjust that. Invalid. Invalid number error. Okay, done. Next, I will go for one more thing. One more thing I will write it. Others. See, I'm coming to this. Complete case studies we are going today. Now I'm going to say one more kind of thing that I'm going to take Wipro dot py, also treated as module. Treated as module. There what I'm doing def. Now I'm taking mul table. Now there I'm going to take it. In that logic I will write it. Logic. n is equal to int of tell me input of today I'm going to tell you some new things for you, ma. New things for you. Input of what is that? Enter a special case I'm going to explain. Enter a number. Enter a number. Enter a number. Yes. Enter a number. Okay, right. So that n. Now I need to discuss about this n. So there I will take if n less than or equal to 0. N less than or equal to 0. What should I do? All of you tell me. Come on, ma. N less than or equal to 0. What should I say? Now I should understand. Raise the exception. Very good. Raise the exception. Raise the exception. What is that exception name? What is that exception name you developed already? Invalid number error. Invalid number error. I'm going to give you invalid number error. That is nothing but hitting the exception. Hitting or raising the exception or raising the exception. Raising the exception. Raising or hitting the exception. Invalid number error. Now immediately you try to import from TCS, import invalid number error. Invalid number error. Okay, we got it. Invalid number error. Import invalid number error. From TCS, import this part. Okay, done. Now I'm going to tell you else. Else I am going to tell you else. Else I am going to write. What I should do there? If the number is not negative, if the number is positive only, then go for this. Murli Krishna. So coming to the point of it. Now I will say print of some number here. I will say inside of it, I will write the logic. I'm writing print of multiplication table for multiplication table for what I am doing, dot format of n, dot format of n. There I will take, now see, tell me now, I will say for I in range of 1 comma 11, 1 comma 11, I will take print of into, I will take is equal to dot format of n comma I comma n into I, n into I, n comma I n into I. Okay, so coming to the for I need to write it. I forget that I for I in the range of 1 into etc. So I will take this backslash t. Fine. End of this part is over. Yes. Then save this. So main important thing is raising an exception. Save this now. Save this code. Now I am saving. This one is done. Okay. Wipro.py. Now I'll write one more main program. Main program I am going to write it. So mul table demo. So that is nothing but py mul table demo.py. Now I need to go for calling that. Which one I want to call? I want to call the function module name. Mul table is a function name which is present in which module? Wipro module. What I am doing? Call the function from Wipro import mul table. So mul table is not a normal function which is having the raising an exception. Explicitly you are raising the exception. Which exception you are raising? Mul table error you are raising. See ma carefully, raising. Now I will write here try. I will write it. Try I am writing that I need to handle it. So except mul invalid number error. See ma how great programming this is. There I am writing don't enter negative oblique zero number, negative or zero number. Yes, then that is done. Now I need to import this invalid number also. Yeah, I will need to import it. Import to TCS from import like this, invalid number error. Yes, so done. Don't enter negative or zero number. Yes, dear student, if you carefully follow me if you understand me, here one more exception is also there. Can anybody recognize? Can anybody recognize? Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Can anybody recognize? There is an exception. Yes. No. Value error. Prashanti. Very good, ma. Prashanti. Very good. Yes. See this one. You see here. You may enter the value. See, enter the number. I may enter KVR. I may enter some special symbol $. I may enter something else. I will show you that. See, only Prashanti recognize this entire. So many students are there. Out of that, only Prashanti recognize value error, which we already discussed in our class. Value error. So actually happening in MUL table. It is a predefined exception. It is happened, but we did not handle it. See that. Let me save it. You are calling MUL table is implicitly raising an exception called value error, but we are not handling it. Just to watch it. What is happening? I will show you that. Prashanti, very good, ma. Keep it up. So MUL table demo.py. Let us coming to the command prompt. G colon. Now I am saying that. CD. Now I am saying 4 p.m. KVR Python 4 p.m. Exception handling. Dear students, carefully observe it. Pi and then this one. Now it is asking enter a number. That means we are entering here and calling MUL table. Control goes to MUL table and asking enter a number. Now I am asked entering. Now I am entering. Normally I will enter the number 9. Normally number 9 I am entering. When I enter number 9, 9 less than or equal to 0, it is a false. Coming to this else part and then printing this multiplication table perfectly. Okay, Pakka I got the answer. Pakka I got the answer. Okay. Now I will write one more main program. I will write one more also. I will write finally. I will write it finally. Just I am writing finally. What is that? I am from finally block. I am from finally block. Just for a because all of them are there. No, that's why. So I will enter the number called 14. 14th table I got it, and finally block also printed. Dear students, now let us enter into one more point. Enter a number -5. I enter -5. Come on, have the flow. -5 less than or equal to 0. What is happening? -5 less than or equal to 0. What is happening, ma? All of you. Exception occurring or not? Today is very slow. Not having like yesterday's rhythm. Today, I don't know what is the climate situation or not. I don't know. I think everybody is sleeping or not. I don't know. So, -4 less than or equal to 0. Raising the exception. This raising exception sending to the main program. Is it matching or not? Matching. And then message is coming. What the message is coming? Don't enter that value. See, don't enter negative number or 0 number. I am from which block? Finally block. Now you enter the number. I will enter KVR. I should not enter any wrong input. See, if I enter KVR here, actually KVR is having here only line number 4 only exception is occurring because your int cannot convert that value. See, we are getting a big message is coming. Finally block came and then it is giving you a big system error message is coming. A big technical error message is coming. What is that error, ma? Value error. I should write one more except block you need to write to handle that also. So I will write here, ma. I'll write one more except what is that? Value error. I should say print of. I'm writing here \n. Here also one \n. What is that? Don't enter. I will say don't enter STRs, alpha numeric values and then special symbols. Don't enter that. Now you enter. Now see carefully. Perfect. Now you enter something like Hyderabad. So see, don't enter STRs, special symbol. I am from finally block. You enter a number called -4. See that? Beautiful. You enter a special symbol percentage. Then you enter space. You space. I did not enter anything space. See, anything enter wrong, this will be stopping. Now you tell me anything enter. Now you tell me anything to enter. 4x I will enter. 4x I entered. Don't enter special symbols. Are you following, ma? All of you? Is it understandable, all of you? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Somebody is entering 3 plus 4j. He is entering 3 plus 4j. He is asking 3 plus 4j. Already we told you now. So Mr. Ram Creation is asking 2021. He is asking 2021. He is asking 2021 table. He got it. So understand this entire story. Yeah, fine. So like this. Somebody is asking underscore also. Underscore you enter, anything you enter, it will be stopping now. Good. Fine. So let us go for like this. Are you understanding? Somebody is asking enter true. First table you will get it. See that now. Enter true. You are getting this value. Because the true within the double quotes is called what? String. That we cannot convert into value. So enter 02. He is saying 0, 2. 0, 2 is nothing but 2 only. Chandrabhushan, 1.0 is called a exception. I told already this type of thing, exception. 1.0 is called a float value, string, cannot be converted. Right. Okay. We tested all these things. So Karthik is asking 2417. 2417 table you want. 2417 table. Just enjoy. Right. Fine. So we understand. Dear students, is it understandable? Is it understandable? Good. Now I'm going to enter into another kind of concept. ATM kind of concept I want to introduce. Shall we move to that? Are you ready? Are you ready to enter into that? Yes. So this you take the screenshot, all of you. Take the screenshot once. Yes, ma. Take the screenshot once. Be serious about this coding. Yes, taken. Next, Wipro.py. This you take it as screenshot. Yes, next time going for one more. Take this screenshot, 3 screenshots. Yes. Finished. Okay. Now, it is a time to go for one more thing. Write a Python program. One more. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will perform, which will perform, which will perform, which will perform, which will perform some of the ATM operations. Don't think that all the ATM operations we can perform now itself. What are all the possible operations we perform at this stage? We are performing. Other things we will take care in the database coming. Actually, we cannot do at this stage. We are performing. What are the operations we can perform? We can perform other kind of things when we go to the database level. Okay, right. Who is this? 861063. Huh? Is he that much interested to open his video and then doing something? 861063. I have to remove this guy from the meeting. Disturbing by coming to this. Right. So write a Python program which will develop some of the operations of ATM. Some of the operations of ATM. Some of the operations of ATM. Yes. Some of the statements only we can do it. What are the statements? We are going to do it in the class. Right. Right. Yes. Now continue that. Handle the appropriate exceptions if required. 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 By developing. So we should use whatever the knowledge we used so far. We are using all of them in the class. Whatever we learned so far, that knowledge totally we need to keep now itself in our classroom. Okay. So how you are using, I will go on asking you. You need to go on responding to my explanation. Okay. Right. First study by yourself and don't expect a complete what ATM application is using, but some of the operations we do. Because at this time, what is our exceptions we are using? That is the main scenario here. And in this case, we are going to continue with the database level also. Database level operation also, we are going to do it. 2 cases, we are going to come across this type of case study. Okay. Let me close all this stuff. All this stuff. Right. So we need to perform ATM operations. Satish, I told you na question. Write a Python program which will implement some of the ATM operations. Right? Yeah. Yes, ma. Durga Prasad. I will teach complete database communication. Right. So perform ATM operations and handle the appropriate exceptions if required. Handle the appropriate exceptions if required. Look at mom. Now I am going to take one menu. One menu. Do you remember we did some type of menu operations previously? Do you remember or forget? One for addition, two for multiplication, three for division. Yes. So we have some type of operations or not? Like that. We are going to do it. We are going to do it. Yeah. So let us go for that. So all of you please cooperate and try to understand. So let us all the students, you please come to that. So module level. Yes, I did that. So now I'm going to do. So Mr. K Naveen, what can I do with this video, guys? I am not understanding. So that it is coming unnecessarily in the middle of the screen. So what to do if I remove that, guys? They will get problem. If I don't remove, it is coming and keeping the screen in my middle of the screen. So they are having. So I have to remove that people. So if I remove, they cannot join again. So I'm just suffering with the tension of these guys. So that too, how they are there in the class? They are having different style. They are in this class. Okay, let it be. Next time, if anybody is that, I will remove 100%. Right. So that's what ma. If anybody is there, here it is not there. Ma. Video permission is not showing that setting I am doing, but that permission is not there with me. That is not visible to me. The permission. Yes. So let us be careful about it and serious about this case study. Let me come to that. So I'm going to take. So I'm taking bank menu, ATM menu. I'm taking ATM menu. Is my module name. It is treated as module name. So all of you be seriously involved in this. Treated as module name. Module name. Right. Yes. Coming to the point of it. Yes, Ma Srikant, I will do that. So coming to the point. Okay, one person is again doing the same. So if I get in middle of the screen, I will remove that. So coming to the point of it. Next I will do printer. I'm taking the module name. So ATM menu. I'm taking here ATM menu. I'm taking this function. I'm taking. What I'm doing inside of it? Now I removed one person. So removed one person. Yeah, it's gone. Fine. Next another person is coming. That person also I will remove. So next print off. Now I'm taking ATM operations. ATM operations. Yes. Print off. Carefully follow it. Print off. Taking like this. Then inside of it, what are the operations I am taking? I will take care in this case. So I am taking in this case like this. Number one, print off one for I am taking deposit. One for deposit operation. Deposit. And pin verification and all, we need a database. Right now, pin verification, don't expect it. Whatever the operations are there, I'm keeping that. And you don't give your own operation. When we come to database level, we will talk about that. Next, one more is called print off. Second one is called withdraw. Next is called withdraw. So first one is called deposit. Second one is called withdraw. Withdraw operation it is called. Yeah. Next, third one also I will go for it. Print off. Third one is called balance inquiry. I will go for balance inquiry. This is inquiry. Okay. Yes. Balance inquiry. Yes. Done. Next, we will go for one more kind of thing. Print off. I'll say fourth one is called exit. These are the operations we have. These are the operations we have done. Fine. So let us, I told already, pin number is not there in this example I said. Right. So coming to the point of it, whatever I am explaining, you just look at this case. Now, this is called one menu. So save this code. ATM menu.py. ATM menu.py. Yes. So separately, I will create one folder in this. Separately, I will create one folder. Take it as ATM. Inside of this ATM, I will save this code completely. Now you come on to the main program. I will take it. I will go to main program. So there I will take Python. So ATM demo. So coming to this point, ATM demo dot py. Whatever operations I am explaining, you please take it. So I am not using any database here. Whatever I am using, you just follow that. That's it. Okay. Right. Look at that. Now I am taking from where ATM menu, from ATM menu, import our function name. What is our function name? ATM menu only. ATM menu only. Okay. Done. Now I will call that function. Like this. I will call that function like this. So there I am taking, save this code here also like this. Now coming to this place of this CD ATM. Now I'll say py. Now ATM demo. See that it is showing like this. 1 for ATM operation, 1 for deposit, 2 for withdraw, 3 for balance inquiry, 4 for exit. If you want to still in the middle of the screen, something like that, I can take it as like this. /t. I'm just taking in the middle of the screen. /t like this. I'm trying to take like this. See, carefully try to follow it. So this is showing here. Now I need to ask you here, enter your operation, enter your choice. I need to go for it. Enter your choice, I need to take care. So coming to the point of it, enter into the point of it. So enter into the point of it. Done. Go to the place. Here I'm taking this. What I'm going to do? Coming to the main program. Here I'm asking ch is equal to choice. That is nothing but operation choice. Int of input of enter your operation. Enter your choice. I can say enter your choice. Okay. And your choice is coming ch. Ch is going to be there. So the ch can be maybe one first operation, maybe second operation, maybe third operation, whatever it is. So then once again, see that enter your choice. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. If choice is 1, do the deposit. It will ask you enter how much amount you want to deposit. If it is withdraw, enter how much you want to withdraw. That withdraw level, what are the exceptions are occurring? At deposit level, what are the exceptions are occurring? At balance inquiry, how much is the balance is left out? And the fourth one, exit. So I will go for writing next what? What should I write? If choice is 1, what should I do? 2 means what should I do? 3, what should I do? 4, what should I do? Yes. Please tell me, what should I write now? Here, your choice can be 1, 2, 3, 4. If more than any one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, suppose I am entering my choice as 33. My choice is 33. What should I say? Your choice is wrong. Please select the proper choice and I should display this kind of thing. So coming to the point back. So if choice is 33, I should go for what? See, if I press enter key, it should not going to other kind of. It should say invalid choice. I should say. What should I do, ma? I must go for the case here. What to write here? Can anybody can tell? Can anybody can tell? Now I will write if L if statements, I will write it. Carefully try to follow. Now I am going to write the code. If CH double equal to 1. If CH double equal to 1, say pause. For a few minutes, you don't worry. I will write it. For a few minutes, don't worry. I'm going to write it. L if, I will write CH double equal to 2. CH double equal to 2. Say pause. L if, I will say CH double equal to 3. 3. I will write the small code there. Don't worry. Pause. If CH double equal to L if CH double equal to 4. CH double equal to 4. 4 is what operation, Amma? 4 is what operation? Exit. I should say what there? If you remember me, I should say sys dot exit. Sys dot exit. Now I need to import sys. Import sys. Exit is going to be, already we did this type of methodology in our previous classes. So done. Exit. It will come out of it. Next, I will write else. Else I am writing it. Else. What should I do in else? When you say this exit, I will say one small point here. What is this? Thanks for using this app. Thanks for using this app. Thanks for using this app. So I am saying something like this. Yes, it is exiting. Exiting. Else. That means other than this 1, 2, 3, 4, anybody enters. I should say what? Printer. What is that? Printer? Your choice of operation. Your choice of operation. I'm just writing. Your choice of operation is wrong. Choice of operation is wrong. Select properly. Select properly. Select properly. Proper selection means what? I should select it properly. So select it properly. And to select properly, what should I do? I should show you the menu once again or not? I should show you the menu once again. That's why what I do is, while I am going to write it, while true I am going to write it. If you remember me, while true I am going to write it. While true. This entire thing I wrote while true. While true. Are you following me? Are you okay with this? Yes. Be comfortable, ma. Let us save this code and come on to the point back once again. So coming to the point back, again I'm going to enter into this case. Exit. So exit this kind of thing. So here sys dot exit off. Done. Now see, run this code once again. Run this code now. So I'm here, enter your choice. Now I'm entering the choice as 34. 34. What is that? Your choice of operation is wrong. Select properly. Now I'm going to see this. Again the menu is coming because I wrote inside the things. Now again I will write one more also I would like to ask you to do more. I will take enter your choice. See, think about all the directions. Now enter your choice. KVR is my choice. Which exception will come? Which exception will come? This program is going to give you complete command over the exceptions. Value error is going to come. Excellent. Value error is going to come. So I must handle this with a value error. See that? Enter key. See why I got value error. I should not see these technical error messages at all in my code. So go to that. I will write value error. So I will write this entire thing. See this entire code I am writing. Try. See, entire code I am writing. Try. I am saying that here value error. So I am writing except value error. Value error. Now I am writing print. What is that? What is that next? Your selection of operation should be integer. Don't enter. I am writing ma. Don't enter. Don't enter. What? STRs, and then alphanumeric, special symbols as values, special symbols as a choice, Okay, right. See that, man? Now you go for it. See, what are all the things are there? Enter that. See, it is showing you. Don't enter that entire thing. So of course, this menu should be shown. So this is coming out of it. This try block I will write inside of this part. So 1 minute, 1 minute, I will just take inside of this. I will take just for a minute. I will just adjust it. So I will take up this. Try, I will write it just for a minute. Just for a minute. I will write this entire thing. I'll cut it here. This part only I will write because menu should be displayed. Because of that, menu is not coming. So I will take this entire thing in this place. I will write except here. Now I am writing except. Except I wrote. So everything is there inside of the loop only. Yeah. Now you say what happens? Printer. Yes. Here also printer should be in the intended position. Yes. See. Enter your choice. Now I am saying that KVR is the choice. What is happening? Don't enter STRs, alphanumeric, special symbols as a choice. Okay. Next, enter the dollar. Enter the dollar. See that again the same mistake. Same type of message. Perfectly we are designing that. Enter your choice. Some 567. See, your choice of operation is wrong. Select properly. Select properly. Right. Now I am going for, are you understanding guys? Are you understanding this kind of value error? How to write it? How to write it, ma? Now I am going for this kind of things. Exit also I will show you once exit. I will say selection of 4. I will say thanks for using this app and coming out of the program. Coming out of the program. Now I am going for introducing this other kind of operation. What operations? Deposit I want to go. Balance withdraw I want to go, balance inquiry, exit I want to go for. Exit anyhow I did. This kind of things I will go for it. Very, very simple, ma. I will go for deposit. One special function I will take it. And withdraw also one function I will take. Balance inquiry also I will take 3 functions. 3 functions will be taken in one module. I am going to take that module. So look at that. Now I am going to take Python. Others I am taking Python here. Now see. Now see carefully. See carefully here how it is done. Easy for you to understand. Easy for you to understand this. Now it is like this. It is like this. Now I am going to take up. Now it is going to take up. What I am going to take up? Now see bank dot py. Bank dot py. What are the operations are there in this bank dot py? So I will take schema def. What is that function name I am taking? Deposit is one function. I will take it. Deposit is one function. I will take it. I will define. With the help of I will define. One more function I will take it. What is that function name? Withdraw. Withdraw function I will take it. Withdraw function I will take it. I will take pass. I will take pass. I will take pass. Next I will take it. Def balance inquiry. Balance inquiry is another type of function I will take. Pass. Enough. Now I am going to take the functions. Now, dear student, now I am going to open the deposit operation. Dear students, once again I am saying here, I will take minimum balance as a global variable I am taking. See that global variable. Do you know global variable concept? Do you know global variable concept, ma? Do you know global variable concept? Do you know that or not? Yes. What is the global variable? To be defined before all my functions. To be defined before all my functions. I am defining all my functions. Before that, I am defining all my functions. So look at that. All my functions here. Very, very simple. Now I am taking, what is that? Available balance. Available balance. So see, sir, balance. AC balance I will take. AC balance is equal to minimum 500 rupees I will take it. Minimum 500 rupees I will take it. Minimum balance to be available on the top of it. Available. Yes. Now I am taking AC balance is equal to 500. I am taking minimum balance. Yes. Then you start. Be careful, ma. It is a global. So it is available. This AC balance is available for deposit method, and AC balance is available for withdraw method. AC balance is available for balance inquiry also. Now, very powerful code we are writing now. With the help of you, I will define. I will ask the questions. You must answer it. Deposit. Now you take, sir. To deposit, you need to ask that end user how much amount you want to deposit. You feel that it is your account, ma. You feel that it is your account. Satyam Sharma, think carefully, ma. Come to the point. Think to the carefully. So, carefully follow. So, here I am asking def deposit. So, deposit amount, D amount is equal to, coming to the point of it, input, a float of, input of, now you enter, 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 the amount to deposit, enter the amount to deposit, enter the amount to deposit, enter the amount to deposit. Okay, right. First learn how to write the coding. Okay, first learn how to write the coding perfectly. Then later we can go for all those inputs. D amount is equal to float of input of enter the amount to deposit. Then tell me, Satyam Sharma, tell me next what should I do? Next what should I do? Next what should I do? So I should go for, so I should go for, you take even int also, no problem. So I'm not thinking about 50 rupees or 10 rupees, all these things. Any amount can be deposited. I'm not going to put this code into the machine directly. I'm just going for talking about how to raise the exceptions. So that is the main intention of telling this entire case study. So I'm going to take up. In this case, one exception is coming. That is the main important thing. What is the exception is coming in this case? Enter the amount to deposit. I may enter alphanumerical value also. I may enter what characters also. I may enter some special symbol also. I am going to get one type of value error. First of all, you understand that kind of thing. Main intention of telling this is called what? Exceptions, how to become. In this case, value error is raising. Possibility of value error is raising. That is number one, identify. Okay. Next, the amount which you are entering, deposit amount which you are entering, maybe negative value also you may enter. Negative value you may enter. Maybe zero value also you enter. Possibility is there or not? So, in this case, what is the D amount? D amount can be negative amount. D amount can be a zero amount. That I should not take care. So, what should I do? If D amount less than or equal to 0. D amount less than or equal to 0. Satyam Sharma, are you following? D amount less than or equal to 0. This is what you have to think about it. D amount less than or equal to 0. What is that? Can you deposit the negative amount? Can you deposit the negative amount? Ma? No, sir. We cannot deposit, sir. So raise immediately what? Exception. Raise R-A-I-S-E. Raise the exception. What is that exception? What is that exception? Deposit error. Deposit error. Deposit error. Deposit error is my own exception. Raise an exception. So deposit error is called my exception. Deposit error is value error. No. Deposit error. Satyam Sharma, it is not value error. If the D amount is less than or equal to 0, to every day you are understanding well, today you are saying wrong answers. So, coming to the deposit error. So, deposit error. That too, how I am writing deposit error, you see it is a class name. You are writing how? Small d, etc. Whatever you like it, you are writing. How I am writing it? Class name, see how I am writing? Like a predefined, looking like a predefined class. Deposit error. So, let me develop the deposit error class first. Deposit error class I need to develop first. Let us go to the next. Exceptions I will develop in another module, separate module. What is that module? Bank exception. I will take bank exception.py. It is a separate thing. class deposit error of base exception, or exception, whatever you like it. Yes, done. Save this code, ma. Save this code. Bank EXCEP. Save this code. Save this code. Now you import that immediately here. You import immediately here from bank EXCEPT. Import deposit error. Deposit error. Our class name. So I used it. I developed it. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Import. Now I said like this. Are you following me? Are you following this? Deposit. This is called a deposit. Yeah, deposit. I need to take deposit. Need to take care about spelling mistakes. There also you need to take care about deposit. This is deposit. Need to take care about the spelling mistake. If any spelling mistakes are there, please let me know that. So bank EXCEPT is a module name. So I will write it as treated as a module name. Treated as a module name. Treated as a module name. Yes. So coming to the point bank, treated as a module, deposit error. Okay. Now let us come to guys here, deposit error. Okay. Done. Value to how many exceptions are raising here? In this case, how many exceptions are raising? Two exceptions are raising. One is called value error is raising. One more is called deposit error is also raising. Plus 0 cannot be possible, and this is also not possible. Okay. If at all you want to introduce multiples of 10 not coming, like that also you can generate one more type of exception, no problem. So once we know coding very well, you can do wonders, sir. Come on, else. If it is else means what? It is not value error. It is not a deposit error. It is perfectly entered. What should I do? Add that amount, D amount, to the balance. What is your account balance? This is AC balance. Now I need to add the value to the D amount or not? How do you add it? How do you add it? How do you add it? What is the statement I need to write it? Come on, I should know. I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer. Append. Who is that append, ma? Bhagya Shruti. What is that append function, ma? Ayyo. What is that append function? So please, Kiran Rathore, excellent, ma. You are only excellent student. Because at this context of time, you are only telling the excellent concept. Yes. Arindam Podar. Yes, ma. Excellent. You are also. Yes. You need to say AC balance is equal to AC balance plus D amount is not possible. You have to write global AC balance. Global AC balance. AC balance. This is what you have to tell. This is called I am expecting. AC balance is equal to AC balance plus amount. Everybody can tell. So please check your knowledge. This is what you have to learn it. This is what you have to learn it. 1 minute. Yes, ma. Tell me now. Are you understanding that global AC balance? Are you understanding or not? Did I explain this or not? Did I explain or not explained? Yes, explained. It is explained. Already explained. Yes. Come on. It is finished. It is finished. AC balance. Done. Deposit function is over. Deposit function is over. Coming to withdraw function. Now, a greatest subject is coming here. Come on, tell me. Withdraw. There also I will ask the person. Come on to the point of it. W amount. Withdraw amount is equal to float of input of enter the amount to withdraw. 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 Okay. Come on. Here also, what is an exception is raising? What is an exception is raising? Value error. Value error. value error. Your global AC balance. You what great knowledge. So value error is coming. Satyam Sharma. See how you are writing value error. Again, I told you so many times. Again, you are writing how value space error. V small E capital E small. So see how many days onwards I am writing this type of concept, ma. Hmm? So why negligency these days? Coming to the point. W amount. Next, what you do? W amount. What is that? W amount should not be negative. W amount should not be zero. W amount should not be zero. Let me take that kind of thing. First, I will talk about what? W amount should not be negative. W amount should not be zero. And the W amount should not be greater than the available balance. So, two exceptions I need to take care. If beautiful code this is, beautiful code this is. W amount less than or equal to zero, less than or equal to zero, raise, which one? Withdraw error, withdraw error. See that? Withdraw error, raise, withdraw error. Karthik, again, I am saying that I am tired now. With space, so draw space, so error. W smaller, D smaller, error smaller. So I tired by saying this type of rule. So how I wrote everything like this. So myself tired. I cannot correct you now. It's over. My patience levels has gone. So withdraw error. So I need to develop the withdraw error is a class. Go to bank accept class and write the class again. How do you write it? Class withdraw error of what? Exception. Exception. Either you take exception or you take base exception. No problem at all. No problem at all. Stay with ma. You come back to the same place once again. Same back once again. Here I will say from, you say, from you say. Here I am saying that, I imported. From bank exceptions withdraw error. So I developed it. I am using it. I am raising the things. Okay. One more I will write it. One more I am writing. What is that now? If see, I am going to W amount. You may withdraw the amount which is more than your account balance. Greater than. Greater than. What should I do? What should I do? Or I can write else. I will write else. Else I am writing else. Here I am writing. What I am writing? If what should I write it? W amount greater than AC balance. AC balance. AC balance. That time what is that? AC balance you are referring na? I will say global global AC balance. Again I am writing global AC balance. Global AC balance. This is called coding. This is called coding standards. Wherever I am referring, I need to write AC balance. Yes. So, some more person is trying to switch on their video. He is about to remove from the class. He is about to remove from the class. If I see, I will compulsory remove because already removed one student so far. So other students, if anybody is already somebody is on, video is on. If it comes in my middle of the screen, we will be going out of it. As long as they're disturbing the class, no problem. Once they start disturbing in middle of the class when they come and sit, removed from the outside. Right. Come on, what should I do? What should I do? Raise. I should say raise. Exception again. What is that exception? Insufficient fund error. Insufficient. SUFF. Insufficient fund. Fund error. Error. Yes. Insufficient fund error. It is a class name, sir. It is a class name, sir. Go to that once again. Here I will import insufficient fund error. I will take it from import. I will take from import. I will see how easy we are developing it. You go to that place. I will write here class insufficient fund error. I will take it, ma. I will take this one. Whatever I am using, I will take that part here. Class of exception pass. Save. Okay, save it. Coming back and done. Error. Yes. Import. Yeah, you can write import star also, ma. Karan Rathor. You can write import star also. Happily, you can write it. Now, done. Okay. Next, what should I do? What should I do? In this case, rising. Else, what should I do? Else, what should I do? Come on. I should say, I need to do the balance or not? How do you do that now? How do you do that now? AC balance is equal to AC balance is equal to AC balance minus which amount? W amount I need to do. Which I need to do? AC balance minus W amount. AC balance is equal to W amount. Are you following me? Are you following me? Yes. So coming to the point of it, I got the out. Now I will take, I will print here, now available balance. Now I am taking, take the cash, take the cash and enjoy. Yes, enjoy. Now available balance, print of available balance, available balance after withdraw colon I say dot format of dot AC balance. Yes. So coming to the point of it, we understand this point. So AC balance. Yes. Coming to the point back. Come on, follow this carefully. Now, coming to this point, here it is done. Now, let us move forward. This is completed. And here, after depositing, I will write one statement mark. Print of, I will write, you have deposited rupees, dot format of the amount. 1 minute, you follow me. Print of available balance after deposit. Available balance after deposit is equal to AC balance. So this is completely done. Coming to the balance inquiry. Here what I am doing, say return simply AC balance. Simply written AC balance. I am not doing any modification there. I am not doing any modification there. Are you following what I am talking? AC balance. Coming to this point here, done. All of them has done. Save this code now. Save this balance bank.py. Come on to the point. Here, coming to the main program, ATM demo. Now you start. Number one, if it is number one, what should I do? Call which method? Deposit method I need to call. I should call deposit method. Here. Where? In bank.py, I should say where it is main program. I should say deposit. Deposit function is throwing how many exceptions? Deposit function is throwing how many here? Two things are showing. One is called a value error. One more is called a deposit error. Two exceptions are coming. So I should write two things here. So I will write a try. See, beautiful code. If you miss this code, you are out. That's it. Except. What is that? Deposit error. What is that? What should I do? Don't deposit. Don't try to deposit. STRs, alpha numeric values and what is that? Special symbols. Don't try to deposit. That is one thing. Next, one more is called a value. Okay, 1 minute. This is the message. I will take next. So this is except, okay, I will change this one. It is not a value error. Next, I will take except deposit error, no problem. Deposit error, deposit error. What I do there? Print off, print off. Don't deposit. Don't try to deposit. Don't try to deposit negative values, negative and zero rupees, zero amount. Right, done. So we got it. We got it. Two exceptions. One is a value error. One more is a deposit error. So deposit error I need to import. Already you have done. Already you have done. This you need to import it. Deposit error you need to import. From here I need to import it. Where it is? This place. I need to import. Be careful in importing part. And a deposit error. And deposit function also I am importing. I need to take bank.py is a module name. Na? I should say import bank from bank import. What is that function name? Deposit is a function. Like that I will go for bank dot import. I will take withdraw also. I will write it. Withdraw also I will take it. One more also I will take it. What is that? Import. What is that? Balance inquiry. Balance inquiry. That also I need to take. Because three things are there. One is called a deposit function. One more is called a withdraw function. One more is called a balance inquiry function. I have all these things done. Coming to this place. Next I will go for CH is equal to 2. CH is equal to 2. I need to go for CH is equal to 2. What should I do in CH is equal to true? I need to call which function? Withdraw function. Withdraw function I need to take it. Withdraw function. So tell me, withdraw function also I need to write what? Try. How many exceptions are there? Tell me, how many exceptions are there also? All of you. How many exceptions are there? Two exceptions are there. One is what? Except value error. Except value error. I will write except value error. Value error. Same. So I will print insufficient. Many exceptions are there. I will write. Don't try to withdraw. Don't try to withdraw. I will write it. Withdraw. Yes. Next I will write except. One more kind of thing is there. What is that now? Withdraw error. Withdraw error is there. What is that withdraw error? Here we have already now. What is that? Withdraw error. I should take care here. So we already told you. Already withdraw error. So in this case, done. Don't try to deposit. I will write don't try to deposit. Here I am writing. Don't try to deposit. Don't try to deposit. Or don't try to withdraw today. Withdraw. What is that? Negative amount as well as zero amount. Next, last I will go for one more exception. Except. What is that now? What is that now? One more is what? The next exception is what? What is the next exception? Insufficient fund error. One more exception is called what? Insufficient fund error. I must go for insufficient fund error. See how many exceptions we developed it. Print off. You don't have sufficient funds. Sufficient funds. Read Python notes. Read Python. Right. Just to get more funds. Right. Done. You don't have sufficient funds. Read Python notes. Right. Done. Yes. All of them gone. So pass 3. What is this now? Exception. Elif exception 3. What function I have to call? This is a withdraw function called. Next, which function I have to call? Balance inquiry. Balance inquiry. I need to call balance inquiry. Here, no exception, na? Balance inquiry, no exception is there. Simply, I have balance inquiry, returning the balance. So, coming to the point of it. So, here I am having this kind of all the things has taken place. So, let us execute. Let us execute. Yes. So, all these things you try to execute, ma. Now let us go to this place. Yes. Now ATM demo. What is this now? Line number 21. What is happening? From bank import deposit. From import deposit. What is happening? Line number 21. From bank import it. Go to once. Line number 21. Line bank dot displays 21. What is happening? Yes. Okay. So, okay, fine. I did not see that. Okay. Now see that. Now I got it. Some symbol by mistake it is kept. Yes, enter into that. Now first I'll go for straightforward. You try to learn. Straightforward you learn. First 3 I will go for it. 3. Balance inquiry 3. So what is coming? What is coming? 3 means what is coming? Okay, you are not printing the result. So I will just cancel my thing. You are returning the value. See, ma, you did not get it. We did mistake. AC balance, we are returning. But where are you getting that? You need to hold that value or not? You are calling here. You are calling. You need to print that or not? So what do you do is, instead of returning now, you try to print here only. You print here only. Okay. Print off. What is that? Available balance. Your available balance. Your available balance is equal to dot format of AC balance. AC balance. Now you see. Now you got it. It's not required, ma. When the global keyword is asking this, when the global keyword is required, when I said global keyword is used, ma. When I said global to use it, so beginning when we are changing it, then only we need to use global keyword. We should read the notes. Otherwise, just same question asking again and again. If I don't respond, it's a problem for you. When I need to go for using the global, when you are modifying it, am I modifying here? We must read, ma. We must read the notes. Otherwise, just asking, going on asking, and if I don't respond, I cannot respond for everything. If it is genuine, I will respond. Be careful. So coming to the point. So ATM operation. So third. So I am saying that printed. Your available balance is called 500. Next, enter your choice. 1. So I am going to do enter the amount to deposit. Enter the amount to deposit 10,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees. So this is done. You have deposited 1,000 rupees. Your available balance after deposit is 1,500. 1,500. Next, enter your choice. Enter your choice. One more time I am depositing. Enter the amount to deposit. 2,500. 2,500. Yes, you have deposited 2,500. Your available balance is 4,000. 4,000. Next, third, balance inquiry. So you have your available balance is 4,000 because everything is modifying the balance. Since I modified this balance, see, once we explain how easily this will be done. See, here I am modifying that. That's why I am using that global. When I don't modify, why should I use global? When you are asking that doubt, I am just, some of the students asked me that I did not respond because it's like a funny. When you are, actually I asked here, only 2 people responded global. Everybody said AC balance is equal to AC balance plus D amount. Other did only two people said. So, so be careful. Be careful. We should go for that type of level only. Here, see that here already we use else means what? Here I am using already. Here I am using before else I am using global here. Is it not enough? Shiva Nagam. So is it not things? For this is suitable for everything. You need to practice. Need to practice. Otherwise nothing will come out. So coming to the point. Next, go for withdraw. So to enter the amount to deposit. Enter the withdraw. I will just say 2000 I want to withdraw. So I will get it. Take and cash. Enjoy. The available balance after withdraw is 2000. Take and enjoy the cash, and available balance is called what? 2000. Now one more amount I want to withdraw. So 500 I want to take 500. So your amount available balance after withdraw is 500. Here you see I am just using global keyword here. I am using global keyword here. Where here I am doing what? Comparison, and I am doing what here? Withdraw amount. I am not doing any modification. Here I specified already. It is suitable for if as well as else also. So it's a subject. Once we don't know subject, we cannot, if we don't know read that, we cannot get it. So read the subject. Next we enter what? Next go for what? I will go for enter your choice. Third I will go for it. So you got 1500. Now go for exception levels. Exception levels. Third, I'll go for third. Okay, second I will go for. Enter the amount to withdraw. So 5000 I want to withdraw. 5000. Actually, you have how much? How much you have your balance? How much you have your balance? 1500 you have. Somebody saying 500. What can I tell them? Huh? It's there in front of your eyes. 1500. Now I am saying 5000. What is coming now? Tell me, what is coming, ma? What is coming? Which exception is raising? Which exception is raising, ma? Insufficient fund error. See that now? See that now what is happening? Withdraw error is not defined. Somewhere else mistake is there. Withdraw error is there. It is saying that. We will check it out. Any spelling mistake or something. So withdraw error. So you see withdraw error. You go for this withdraw error once. Withdraw error. Just take this bank.py withdraw error. Withdraw error. Here in ATM place also. In ATM place also, withdraw error. Withdraw error. Insufficient fund error also is there. Withdraw error. Here I did not import actually. I should say withdraw error. I should import. I forget to import. Bank. I forget to import. I did not import it. We will import it. Yes. Next I will import one more also. Insufficient fund error also we will import it. So I should take care in the beginning only. Yeah. Let us. I need to import everything. Okay. Let us go on. Once again execute. So say go for it. Number one. So beginning onwards. It is coming from the beginning. So 500 rupees. Next go for what? So something like 1200 for example. So I got 1700 is my balance. Let us go for withdraw. Second. So what is your withdraw amount? 5000. Which exception is raising? Insufficient. You don't have sufficient funds. Read Python. Next go for what? One more. Enter the amount. Insufficient fund error. I got it because I did not import previously. That's why we got error. Now let us go for one more. Deposit. Go for one more. What is that? Second only. enter the amount to withdraw. Minus 500. Minus 500. It is called what? See, don't try to withdraw negative amount or zero amount. Don't try to withdraw negative or zero amount. Next, go for what? Second, once again. Zero, I am saying. Zero. It is saying that don't try to withdraw negative amount or zero amount. Not possible. Next, go for what? Once again, 1. 1. Enter the amount to deposit. 1000. See that 2700. Go for what? Third. Go for what? 1 only. Now enter the amount to deposit. KVR. Actual amount to enter, but I am entering KVR. It is saying don't try to deposit STRs, STRs, strings, alphanumerical values, special symbols. Now enter the amount, enter the choice. 1. Enter the amount to deposit. Dollar, 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 ABC. See that don't try to withdraw like this. Don't try to deposit. So third, that is called what? Balance 2700. 2, 1700 I want to withdraw. So I got it. Withdraw balance is, your available balance is 1000. Dear students, are you okay? So, are you understanding this entire thing? How is this code? How is this code? This entire thing is going to make you to understand how to deal with the exceptions, how to develop with our exceptions, right? So, are you understanding how to deal with the exceptions and all, ma? Are you understanding how to deal with the exceptions and all those things, ma? Developing exception, raising an exception, hitting an exception, everything we used to take care. Everything we used to take care. Yes, this is called how to develop it. Anything you want to test it? Anything you want to test it? Anything you want to test it here? Yes, 4. Okay. Rashekar, we will go to 4 after a few minutes. Anybody else? Few. Okay, 5. So you want to enter 5. So it is coming. Your choice of operation is wrong. Select properly. Anything else? Anything else you want to check? 4. Okay. So 2. Okay. Satish is asking for. Enter the amount to withdraw. Enter the amount to withdraw. Enter all amounts, sir. Okay. 1700 I will withdraw. 1700 or 1000 rupees. So 1000 rupees you have. 1000 rupees. Yes. Take the available balance is 0.0. 0.0. What is next? What is next? Galaxy is saying that underscore 567. So what is this input? I don't know. Okay, Galaxy is giving this type of thing. So don't enter this type of alphanumerical string. So Kshay Kishore is asking deposit 2 cap 6 under. 2 cap 6 is saying 2 cap 6. So 2 cap 6 is asking 2 cap 6. So what this is called? Treated as what? It is called invalid string. Kshay Kishore is asking. So done. So you enter whatever you like it. So it is going to be like this. So 2. So it is going to be enter the amount to withdraw. Rashekar is asking. So 2. Enter the amount to withdraw. How much you want to withdraw? 100 rupees. So you got insufficient funds. Read Python notes. Read Python notes. So 7 rupees or 1000 rupees or whatever it is. And if you say 4, now it is saying that thanks for using this app. Out. It is out. Anything you enter, that will be deposited. Anything you enter, it is deposited. Fine. Come on to the point. Is it clear for all of you? Will you able to do on your own? Will you able to do on your own? Yes, very good. You can do on your own. Very nice, students. So now, if anybody is interested, see, I have imported all these things. If anybody is interested, because it's something important case for you, you try to take the screenshots. You take it if you want. Just I'm asking you, begin. Take the screenshot. You use import. Now I wrote, now you practice. During your import, you do that. Import star. I told you the syntaxes already, na? Take the screenshot. Yes, done. Next one I am going to introduce. Next one I am going to import. This part you take it. Next you write this. Next you take this screenshot. Yeah, I will upload this also. I will upload this also. Don't worry. Take this also. All of you take the screenshot. Second screenshot. Yes, done. So this is whatever is possible with this. I done that. Okay. When I go to next further, when you are improving, you do the operation. I shown you the path, na. You do other operation. Right. Next, you go for this bank.py treated as 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me write it here. Treated as module. Treated as module. I gave you the 90% solution. Na? You try to enjoy by yourself. Take this now. Take up to line number 20 or 19. You take the screenshot up to here. Take the screenshot up to certain lines. You take up to line number 20. When I'm saying please follow that and then try to take the screenshot. One student is asking take this previous program when I'm saying beginning onwards, you go for it. Yes. Now I'm coming to 20th line. Coming down, it is finished. It is finished. Finished now? Yes. Next I am going for showing. Next ATM main program I am going to show you. You take up to line number from line number 1 to line number you take up to 23 or you take line number 23 or 25 you take it. I will upload I will upload just for your safe place you are just doing. Those who don't take the screenshot, I will upload this entire thing. I will upload. I said. So today with this exception handling is over. So now taken the screenshot up to line number 23 or 25. Now I am coming down. Now rest of them. Last over. Yes, finished. So done. Finished that kind of thing. Now you go for this is what we did that concept. So exception handling is over. So is exception handling topic is understandable to everybody or not? Yes. So practice this. Even I will upload this code now itself after the class is over. Now the class is over. You can leave the session. Those were our tomorrow's classes. I am introducing the new concept called files. I am going to introduce files. Files in Python. I am going to introduce. Right? We are going to coming out of it. We are going to coming out of it. Right. Tomorrow I will introduce files concept. Don't miss it. Very, very important concept. Thank you. So I'm